welcome to my channel. My name is Alondra. In case you hadn't been here before, today I had to record 2 intros because I had been sick and busy. I'm not sure which video will be up first, but this one will be a living room tour. The other one will be a DIY. I will also have a living room fall decor tour thing coming up shortly as well, so be on the lookout. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. Así que let's get right into it. Alright, so here we have a planter that was originally brown. We utilized chalk paint to get it to this white shade. Here's the plant that we have on it. And then next to it we have some more plants. And this drawer piece that my mom DIY'd with 4 legs. And some more chalk paint. Over here we have 2 sconces and a metal wall piece that we got at Hobby Lobby. Then onto this section of the living room, we have this white table that we thrifted. We have this 2 little lantern houses. I'm not entirely sure what they're called. We have this wooden sign that says believe. And here we have, this and this little cross that hopefully y'all can see. Moving on to the first armchair, we have this pillow that says there's no place like home, which is so true. And which is why I decided to place it here, because it's the first accent pillow that is visible from the entrance. We have this blanket. Not a huge fan of it, but I just left it here because I have been utilizing it the most. Then we have this other little accent table that we also thrifted a long time ago. As you can see, they've all been painted white. They weren't originally this color. But we're a huge fan of the white furniture, so we've painted them. Here we have 3 little angels that we got at Ross a couple years ago. We have 2 candle holders that were originally black, but we don't really use a lot of black accents, so we also painted it white. We have this little greenery. It's fake. We got it at Hobby Lobby. We recently got this TV at Walmart. It's the Samsung Curb one. And I put this blue background of the sea just as some background noise, and I really like it. Here we have a rose that we painted, spray painted gold, a little perfume holder, the remote, the Xfinity cable box, a little swan that holds the air conditioning remote, 2 books, To Kill a Mockingbird, which I have since I was in high school, and then we have the David and Goliath one, which I actually really enjoyed. Then we have our electric fireplace that we got at Big Lots. Huge fan. It's sort of the main focal point in our living room. We have 2 little angels that my mom has had since, I honestly can't remember. She's had them for years. And we thought about painting them, but we never got around to that. So I think for fall, we're just gonna leave them this color, and then maybe around winter or spring, we're gonna paint them white, either with spray paint or chalk paint. Probably spray paint, because I think that gave us a better finishing on other ones we painted before. Here we just have a book holder, some metal, and we actually haven't touched these books in a while. Here I tried to hide the Wi-Fi adapter thing box, but I don't think it's that hidden. We just have it there for now. Then we have a pedestal, this planter that I made. Make sure to check out my brief description on how I made it in a previous video. It'll be linked down below if you're interested in sort of learning how I made this. It's made out of cardboard, and I tried to mimic this shape. I think I did a pretty good job. You know, keeping the French country type of vibe going on. We have this gorgeous plant that unfortunately I don't think has been, you know, receiving enough sunlight. So this leaves haven't opened up. We'll probably be putting it outside and replacing it with something else, because it's stayed stagnant with its growth. Also, excuse my voice, I'm sick. And I'm kind of, well, I'm getting over a, like, cold or something. And my nose is still pretty stuffy. So please excuse that. If you find it annoying, I'm sorry. Here we have our other armchair. We have this gorgeous royal blue blanket draped over it, and this pillow that says cherish every moment. I got them on Amazon. If y'all would like me to find the link and put it down below, make sure to comment and I'll gladly do that. We have this gorgeous little, like, French country, like, antique type of doors hanging. We actually placed this metal wall art over it to add more dimension, because they were pretty flat for our liking. We got both of those pieces at Hobby Lobby. Here we have a little box that says comfort candles, I believe. You actually can't see it that good, so yeah. We have these little old plastic flowers that we've had for a while. Kind of wish we had another plant in there, but we never got around to looking for one that could fit in there. Then we have two white little bird figurines that I painted with chalk paint to give them that kind of like antique look. We have the box's lid, its little bow, a leaf that we took from the flowers, and another metal flower figurine thing. We have this gorgeous little table that my mom ordered from a catalog a long time ago. Now moving on to the middle of our living room, we have this little round two-tier table. On the bottom we have this little velvety box with two little angels. As you can see, we love angels in this household. We thrifted the box. And then the table is also not new. It looks new though, which is amazing. In the center we have this little metal tray. It's oval shaped. We thrifted it as well. We have this gorgeous little angel piece that we originally had back here, but it actually looks so much better over here. We have this super worn out candle. Not a huge fan of it, but it smells good, so it's here. We have this little glass base and this royal blue fake plant that we got at Hobby Lobby as well. Huge Hobby Lobby fans over here. And then here we have two little seats, bench seats that we thrifted. They originally had this really ugly print, black and white, floral type of thing. And obviously it was not fitting for a household. The legs need to be painted, but we haven't gotten around to that. We put this little velvet royal blue fabric on them. It was actually originally a dress, but y'all would not know that without the fact of me telling on myself. And then we have this gorgeous little light blue, like sky blue, baby blue, I don't know, curtains. We have white ones in the middle. They have this nice little texture to them. And that's basically that, you know, pretty self-explanatory. Here we have this little companion pair thing to the other drawer that we have with the plants, except this one still needs its little handle placed on there. This one my dog uses because my mom is not a huge fan of, you know, dogs on the sofa. So we kind of passed this on to him. It was originally meant to be a blanket holder, but here it is. I feel like the legs were sturdy enough to carry my dog, so that's why. And then lastly, we have our couch that we got at Rooms to Go. This was kind of, you know, the selling point to it because I just thought it was really cute. And after reading the little paper, I fell in love with it a lot more because it's supposed to mimic the guitar strings. It's apparently from the Keith Urban collection at Rooms to Go. I'm not sure if it's still there. It's quite old, I believe, but I really like this couch because, you know, it's a recliner, but it holds a smaller space than your typical big recliner sets. And yeah, we have some more pillows. We have this ones that match the curtain blue, and we have this one that says family is everything, because it is. And then we have this one that says love is all you need, and another blue one. They are all from Amazon, so like I said, if you want me to put the link down below, I'll gladly go find it, but please comment down below, you know. And this is the back of the sofa. I'm not gonna show y'all the full back because I just connected it, so I can show y'all the reclining feature. This is why we have this amount of space from our, you know, couch sofa thing and the table, because it reclines and it goes this far out, and it goes in full, you know, little bed mode, which is really comfortable. Let's put it back down and I'll show y'all the last little feature of our sofa. And it's okay. It has, some drink holders down here. And then, whoops, let me move these a little bit more. Okay, it has 2 more drink holders down here. We don't really use this that much, but it's a great feature. It has a little pocket, for like magazines or something. What the hell is this? And it has, a charging station, which is also really convenient and a nice feature to have. Because, sometimes you just don't have battery on your phone, but you want to continue using it. And yeah, so that is all for this little living room tour. Stay tuned for the fall one. This is what our decor looked like. We had most of this stuff in our home already, or had gotten it prior to the pandemic, with the exception of, I believe, these 2 plants we got at the nursery. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. Stay tuned for our fall little tour. Hopefully I'll be able to show y'all more sections in our little home.